Find the equation in simplified factor form of the polynomial with following characteristics. Okay, remainder. There's two remainder information, this one here and this one here. It's a quartic information. Okay, this is a degree 4 polynomial. Y-intercept, so it's essentially another point. Now these two are factors, so we can immediately write this. We have x plus 1 as a factor, and we have a 2x plus 3, or minus 3, right? So if you put 3 over 2 in here, this will turn into 0. Okay, then we ought to have a degree 2 polynomial multiplied to this, because overall it's a quartic. Okay, so now let's use the remainder theorem information. So when you replace with 2, so let's plug in 2, you get 3, 1, and here we get 4a plus 2b plus c. This is equal to 2. So we have 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, let's use this information. Y-intercept. So when x equals 0, so let's replace everything with 0. You get 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Negative 3. Just c. Okay, just c. This is equal to 6. So c is equal to negative 2. That's nice. So plugging that back in there, you get 2 over 3. Bring it over, you get plus 2. Let's divide everything by 2. Okay, so last information has a remainder of negative 1 when you divide by an x minus 1. So by remainder theorem, when you plug in 1, we should get negative 1 as a result. Okay, so you get 2, negative 1, a plus b. We know the value of c, right? That's equal to negative 1. So this divided by this is half. So that's 5 over 2. So let me put this right here. Call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. Put the equation 2 right here. A plus b, 5 over 2. Okay, and let's do elimination. Right, so then you get a is equal to 4 over 3 minus 5 over 2. So that's minus 7 over 6. Okay. Plugging it back in here. So let's call this 3. 3 sub into 1. So sub into 2. So that's 15 plus 7. That's 22, right? 22 over 6, which is 11 over 3. Okay. So our polynomial equation finally then is p at x is equal to x plus 1, 2x minus 3, and a is 11 over 3x squared minus 7 over 6x, and c was negative 2. Okay, and we can multiply through here by 6 and divide at the front by 1 over 6 to compensate for the fact that I'm multiplying by 6 to get rid of the fractional expression here. So we get, if you multiply that by 6, we're going to get, right, 11 over 3 times by 6, you're going to get 22. And 12 here.